Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at Meta stock. Meta, analyzing the current news and market sentiment to see how it reflects on the charts. First, let's look at the news. Meta has recently extended its partnership with EssilorLuxottica, the maker of Ray-Ban, to develop smart eyewear products. This signals Meta's commitment to expanding beyond its traditional social media realm and into the burgeoning world of augmented and virtual reality. Analysts are bullish on Meta's growth potential, citing the company's strong advertising revenue and increasing efficiency. In fact, analysts have raised profit estimates for Meta and other companies in the tech sector. However, some concerns remain about user growth and Meta's reliance on revenue per user. Despite these concerns, the stock has performed well this year, outperforming the broader market. Now, let's turn our attention to the charts and see how this news translates into technical patterns. First, we'll look at the daily chart, covering the past year of trading activity. As you can see, Meta has been on an upward trend for the past several months. We can observe a clear support level around the $300 mark, where the stock found strong buying interest in the past. Conversely, the $400 area appears to act as a resistance level, as the stock has struggled to break through this barrier on multiple occasions. The latest news about Meta's partnership and the bullish analyst sentiment suggests that Meta could be poised for a breakout. However, the stock's valuation is considered slightly overvalued compared to some of its competitors. This could pose a challenge for the stock to maintain its upward trajectory in the short term. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to examine shorter-term price movements. Here, we can see a clear upward trend line emerging. This trend line is acting as a strong support level, indicating that buyers are stepping in to prevent further declines. The recent news about Meta's partnership and the bullish analyst sentiment are likely contributing to this positive price action. We can also observe a potential resistance level around the $530 mark, where the stock has encountered selling pressure in recent weeks. However, the stock has been able to break through this resistance level on a couple of occasions. This suggests that buyers are increasingly optimistic about Meta's future prospects. Looking at the recent price action, it appears that Meta is consolidating gains after its recent rally. This is a common pattern in the stock market, as prices often pause to absorb previous gains before continuing their upward trend. The upward trend line and the recent breakout through resistance levels suggest that Meta is in a strong position to continue its upward trajectory in the short term. However, it is important to monitor the stock's valuation and the overall market sentiment for any signs of weakness. To get an even closer look at the price action, let's switch to the 15-minute chart. Here, we can see some interesting price fluctuations. The stock has been consolidating gains after its recent rally. This is a normal pattern in the stock market, as prices often pause to absorb previous gains before continuing their upward trend. We can observe a support level around the $525 mark and a resistance level around the $535 mark. The stock has been trading within this range for the past few days. It is important to monitor the stock's behavior within this range to identify any potential breakout patterns. If the stock breaks through the $535 resistance level, this could signal a continuation of the upward trend. Conversely, if the stock breaks down below the $525 support level, this could signal a potential reversal of the upward trend. The recent news about Meta's partnership and the bullish analyst sentiment suggest that a breakout through resistance is more likely than a breakdown through support. However, it is important to monitor the stock's behavior within the range and the overall market sentiment for any signs of weakness. To summarize, Meta's stock price is currently in a bullish territory. The daily chart shows an upward trend with support at $300 and resistance at $400. The hourly chart displays a strong upward trend line, indicating buyer interest and a potential breakout through resistance. The 15-minute chart reveals a consolidation pattern within a range between $525 and $535. Breaking through the $535 resistance level would signal a continuation of the upward trend. Conversely, breaking down below the $525 support level could signal a reversal. The latest news about Meta's partnership and the bullish analyst sentiment suggest that a breakout is more likely than a breakdown. However, it is important to monitor the stock's behavior within the range and the overall market sentiment for any signs of weakness. Keep an eye on these key price levels and the overall market conditions to make informed trading decisions.